No, no, no.
Need some help here. Bogey, right here. I downed an adversary. Hold on. Let me help you. Reloading. Killed an enemy.
Stay down. Okay, I'm coming up. What?
Grab it, grab it, grab it.
I got you. Good to meet you again. Then I might get you that greeting you were looking for.
You think I'm gonna give up that easy?
Right. How about we continue this discussion another time?
Last person I thought I'd run into here.
Hell no.
Breaks up, Ross. Welcome.
Got up out of there. Got up out of there. I haven't got anything to heal with. I do not. I think I need that for sure.
Welcome. Stocking up while you can. Come back anytime.
What is this? This game is so scary. This looks cool.
She said meeting you once was enough.
Well, yeah, but I'm not used to having such good company.
Is that a compliment?
Take it however you want.
Just give me a heads up before you stab me next time, okay?
Yeah. Thanks.
Look, there's a statue over
Of course, I don't have it.
Such a fool, Mr. Kennedy. You have been bestowed with lore such as you talk too much. Failed. You father. Utterly uncivilized. Allow me to show you if I would be granted by my master. If I would have looked down. Stage is set for the final
Nothing personal, Leon. Louis and I had an arrangement. Don't worry, I'll take good care of it. Ride's here. You coming?
I think we both know this. It's where we go our separate ways.
I see. Move on.
Where Ashley?
Cute.
Until next time, Leon.
Leon! Where's she going?
Who knows?
I don't understand. Why would she do that?
Gonna move. It's gonna blow.
It's gonna what?
I hope they're not gonna make me run.
I'm not sure that was insane. Mission accomplished, right?
Mission accomplished. You're home safe.
Thank you for saving me.
I could put in word with my dad. Have you assigned to my detail, if you're interested?
You don't need me. You proved you could handle yourself.
She cannot.
Even if you could use a lesson in knife safety. Let's go.
Hey!
Condor 1? Roost Condor 1, do you read me? Come in. I said come in. Is this thing even on?
He forgot all about it.
Leon, are you and Ashley alright? Where are you? Come on!
Help. That was a good game.
Patch me through. I've obtained the amber.
Excellent.
Just one question. What are you planning to do with this?
I do not pay you to ask questions. All you need to know is New Dawn is breaking.
Oh,
I
Lord.
will give their lives so that just one may live. I am expediting that change.
So, we're talking millions of casualties.
Billions.
Oh, Lord.
How ambitious. We're changing course. Yeah.
I finally finished the game. I'm actually like very happy with how it ended. I did change it to assisted about chapter 12 or 13. So I only played on assisted for a couple of chapters. I did it because honestly, I don't even think I needed it. All the stuff that they said came with assisted, I never even used. So like, I could have played without assisted, but that's okay. I still enjoyed the gameplay. I still enjoyed the game through. It doesn't matter really how I play a game. It just matters on if I finish the game or not. And I finally completed this game, and I'm actually very happy about it. Yeah, the game is overall 9 out of 10. Love it. Leon, I actually started to like his character more through this gameplay. All the cringy comments and, you know, just his character overall. I actually started to like him a little bit more. But I still think Leon is still a little, just a little bit overrated. I don't know, because he's very hyped up in just the gaming community overall, which isn't a crazy thing to do, but I do like his character.
I'm here. Dad's here.
We're here for Dad.
What?
Hello, Sebastian. It's been a long time.
3 years. I've been trying to track you down for 3 years.
And you thought you'd find me at the bottom of an empty bottle. Is that it?
Why are you here now, damn it?
You didn't find me because they didn't want you to. Calm down, Sebastian.
You knew what was gonna happen in that hospital, didn't you?
What happened at Beacon is in the past. You need to forget it.
Super Mario Galaxy!
castle on the night of the Star Festival. There's something I'd like to give you. From Peach.